This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make DXN Reishi Gano tea updated. Gather 1 teaspoon of DXN Reishi powder, 250 ml water, and a small strainer to start. Heat water to just below boiling and add powder, stirring to dissolve. Simmer on low for 5 to 10 minutes to extract flavors and compounds. Remove from heat, let settle for a minute, then strain into a cup and enjoy warm. Warm your mug and equipment to keep the tea hotter longer and improve aroma. Use filtered water and a precise teaspoon to control strength and bitterness. Heat water to just under boiling, then add the powder and stir well to prevent clumps. Simmer gently to draw out the Ganoderma essence without breaking down delicate compounds. Strain carefully and optionally add a touch of honey or lemon to balance flavors. Try different serving styles to suit your taste and routine. Add a small drizzle of honey or a touch of stevia for sweetness, or mix with milk or plant milk for a creamier texture. For a cold version, brew double strength, chill, then pour over ice with a lemon slice. Keep portions moderate and enjoy the earthy, slightly bitter profile that characterizes authentic Reishi tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.